Cherine, where are you? Where is mommy of Cherine? Bakit nagtatago si mommy? Mommy, is it okay? Are you sure? Sigurado mommy, I will get... Let's do this. Our next performers are waiting backstage. Okay, watch. Let's put this one here. Cherine, whatever happens, do not move your hands. Do not move your legs. Do not move your head. Look there. Yeah, look at your mom. Everybody shout, Abracadabra!